After 3 years of dedicated research and innovation, a major achievement has emerged from Vadodara, Gujarat, strengthening India's journey towards self reliance in the nuclear energy sector. A Vadodara based MSME, Vivid High Fab Private Limited, located in Makarpura, has successfully developed spent fuel transportation containers used in nuclear power plants. Along with these containers, the company has also manufactured fuel transfer machines and spent fuel storage racks, all of which are critical high end nuclear components required for the safe handling, transportation, and storage of used nuclear fuel rods after power generation. Notably, this is the first time in the world that all three such advanced nuclear components are being manufactured at a single location. Until now, India relied heavily on imports for these sensitive and highly specialized systems. This breakthrough strongly supports the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In a nuclear power plant, electricity is generated through heat produced by the nuclear fission of uranium 235 inside fuel rods. Once these fuel rods complete their life cycle, they continue to emit high heat and radiation. Initially, they are stored underwater inside the plant for several years. Later, they are transferred to special fuel ponds and eventually transported using highly secure and automated systems. Handling spent nuclear fuel is extremely dangerous and requires advanced engineering and precision. Responding to a requirement from the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited (NPCIL), Vivid High Fab Private Limited successfully developed spent fuel storage racks made of borated stainless steel capable of absorbing and blocking neutron radiation. These racks have cleared all stringent safety and quality tests conducted by central government agencies. The storage racks are set to be dispatched to the Kudankulam nuclear power plant, while other critical equipment, including fuel transfer machines, will be delivered in the coming days. The company is led by Mahendra Sharma, Managing Director of Vivid High Fab Private Limited, whose leadership has been instrumental in achieving this milestone. This achievement is a proud moment for Vadodara's industrial sector and marks a significant step forward in strengthening India's nuclear energy capabilities and self-reliance. Now listen to what the people involved in this prestigious project have to say about this remarkable achievement.
Yes, I am Mahendra Sharma, the Managing Director of Vivid IFF Private Limited, and we are gathered together here today to flag off very important spent fuel shipping racks, storage racks to Kudankulam nuclear power plant at Kudankulam near Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. These spent fuel racks are basically used for storage of spent fuel that comes out of reactor after its life cycle and is very radioactive and at a very high temperature, and that requires to be stored underwater for a period of 30 to 40 years to cool it down and bring the radiation levels to acceptable level before safely disposing of the uranium material from that rack. Storage racks have been made in India under Make in India program, Atmanirbhar Bharat program by Nuclear Power Corporation, and this particular order has been awarded to Vivid IFF with its lead consortium partner Holtec Asia based in Pune. And the major feature of this rack is that it required intense designing and analysis for the safety of the nuclear fuel, which included analysis, seismic analysis for any eventuality of a high amplitude of earthquake, and this process took about 3 years and thereafter it has taken 8 to 9 months for Oltec and Vivid to manufacture this. And today we are, after successful testing of this, have been able to supply this to Kudankulam.
GM Projects, Vivid Hi-Fab Private Limited, Baroda. See, today we are present at the occasion of the flag off ceremony of the spent fuel न्यूक्लियर प्लांट में जो फ्यूल बंडल यूज होते हैं उसके जो रैक असेंबलीज है उसको फ्लैग ऑफ करने के लिए वी आर गैदर्ड हियर. इट्स ए वेरी auspicious occasion when Make in India, under the Make in India concept, we have made the spent fuel storage rack. These spent fuel storage rack are basically used for the storage of the fuel bundle in nuclear power plant after its use inside the reactor. And these spent fuel reactors are basically after use are cannot be saved or cannot be stored anywhere because it is a safety concern for all, for the society. So we store keeping this fuel bundle, spent bundles in this rack. These racks are basically, previously they were supplied from the other countries. Now till today we have received this all from the Russian companies. Now in Kudankulam power plant, under the policy of the government, this rack assembly we have prepared in consortium with the Holtec Asia USA, and they have designed and they have manufactured and we have tested at here, we have inspected here, and this is the first time we have made this reactor especially designed, and this is going today to Kudankulam nuclear power plant, Tamil Nadu. So thank you.
Myself R.D. Patel. After completion of my graduation from LD College of Engineering, Gujarat University, I joined Heavy Water Board, Department of Atomic Energy. I worked there for about 35 years and I retired as Director of Engineering and Outstanding Scientist. During my tenure, I visited several times to GIDC Makarpura and particularly Vivid Hi-Fab for the department jobs. I found that Vivid Hi-Fab is doing an excellent job for the department and the nation as a whole. And during my tenure, they have done a lot of jobs, and all credit goes to them. And their efforts has resulted in the saving of a lot of foreign exchange, because they developed the components which were not available with us and which were produced locally in Baroda. And these are. So I personally feel very proud for the Vivid Hi-Fab, and particularly for the Baroda and GIDC Makarpura, who has done wonderful jobs for the department, for the nation, and I wish all the best in future also.